guys, it's Molly. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanted to talk about installing a pull-out bin under your kitchen sink, or, well, personally for me, that's where we installed it, under the kitchen sink, but for you, it might be a different cabinet. So, but I want you to know that it's really easy to do and can be really, really affordable. You do not need to hire anybody to do it for you. You could definitely do it, your husband or yourself. It was just super easy to install and very convenient and conventional and like modern, especially if you're just tired of that trash, you know, being out and taking up space, and it's just not like a cute look, you know, you just want more space and it just looks neater and better. So I also wanted to show you where we had our, where we used to have our trash can. It used to be right over here. You see that line there? It's just taking up space in my kitchen area, and it used to also be here at some point, and I thought, you know what? I'm just tired of that look. We need to figure out something. So we installed it right under here, and I have to give credit to my dad and my husband because they're the ones that put it in for me, but I just think the whole family likes this better, and it's just so easy to pull out. We have two under here. I will get the name for you, but I know we got it from Home Depot. Our issue at first was this initially was installed a bit too close to where the trash bag would get like stuck on the hinges, and it was just very messy and it would be harder to like pull it out. It wouldn't pull out as easily, but we fixed it. My husband redid this and kind of moved it over more to this side, and now it just works fine. I'm not seeing a brand name for this pull-out bin, but it is from Home Depot, and I will have it linked in the description box if you want to check it out. So here's our pull-out bin, and I couldn't be any more happier with it. And I just wanted to share this, hopefully to give you an idea and just to show you and let you know how easy it is to just do it yourself. And yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.